All right, so today we are opening up the brand new Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the two controllers here, front and center. Got the left and the right. And we've got the brand new headset here. So we've got a little plaque on the inside with the strap explaining move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Let's move this box. All right, so that's off. We've got the headset here. And of course, we've got the little stickers here. We've got the glasses spacer. And let's see what this is. So this is likely going to be the charger. All right, so it looks like we've got a manual in here. Reference guide. And the safety and warranty guide. We've got the charger here, which of course is going to be using USB-C for fast charging, and the USB-C to USB-C cable. And looks like there's nothing else inside the box.